When companies start taking analytics seriously, the conversation almost always lands on modern cloud data warehouses. Two of the most popular choices are Snowflake and Redshift. Both are powerful, both are battle-tested, and both can handle everything from simple dashboards to massive enterprise-scale data workloads. But they take different approaches, and those differences matter when you are building an analytics stack that needs to grow smoothly. Snowflake is known for its clean user experience and its unique architecture. The platform separates storage and compute, which means you can scale each one independently. If your team needs more power for a short burst, you can spin up bigger compute resources without touching the underlying data. This keeps things simple when managing unpredictable workloads. It also helps teams avoid performance bottlenecks when many users or processes hit the warehouse at the same time. Another strength of Snowflake is its focus on collaboration and data sharing. You can share data across teams or even across companies without moving or copying anything. That makes it easier for distributed teams, partners, or business units to stay aligned. Snowflake also supports multiple data formats, including semi-structured data, which means you can load and query things like logs, event data, or JSON with minimal prep work. Redshift takes a more traditional approach that is tightly integrated with the Amazon ecosystem. If your infrastructure already lives inside Amazon Web Services, Redshift can feel like a natural extension. It works well with services like Amazon S3, Amazon Glue, and Amazon Athena. The setup feels familiar to teams already using Amazon tools, and the pricing model is straightforward. Redshift is strong when it comes to performance optimization. You can tune distribution styles, sort keys, and compression to support very specific workloads. This level of control is great for teams that know exactly how their data behaves and want to squeeze out maximum performance. It also offers a managed version called Redshift Serverless, which reduces some of the traditional setup work. However, Redshift is less flexible than Snowflake when it comes to scaling compute and storage independently. Both are strong choices. The real question is whether you want a warehouse that handles most decisions for you, or one that gives you more control under the hood. Snowflake is all about flexibility and ease. Redshift is about precision and alignment with Amazon Web Services.